How to create Snapchat account using your PC. So first things first is you need to pull up your browser, type in Snapchat sign up, and you need to click on the first link. Upon clicking on that, you just need to fill out the form, your first name, your last name, username, your email and password, and as well as your birth date. Now once done, you need to hit sign up. You just have to finish this captcha, the start puzzle. Once the verification is complete, you click sign up and accept again. Um, Sometimes you will get an error message saying that this username is already taken. So you just have to change your username until it's available and click sign up and accept again. Do the whole process again. So that's how you create Snapchat account using your PC.